Hey there, welcome back to Fluent Talks, your daily dose of English learning motivation. Today, we're diving into something super important for every English learner out there: how to learn new English words daily and actually remember them. Let's be honest, we've all tried memorizing long vocabulary lists, right? But after a day or two, poof, gone from our memory. So how do you fix that? Let's talk about 5 smart, simple, and powerful ways to learn English words every day without feeling stressed. Way number 1, learn just a few words daily. Yep, just a few. It might sound too easy, but this is key. Instead of trying to learn 20 or 30 words in one day, start with just 3 to 5 new words. Why? Because your brain needs time to process and store them. Learning fewer words means you can focus on truly understanding them, pronouncing them correctly, and using them naturally. And guess what? If you learn 5 words a day, that's 150 new words in a month. That's real progress. Way number 2, use the words in real life. This is where most learners go wrong. They learn a word, maybe even memorize it, but then never use it. And the brain says, okay, this must not be important, and lets it fade away. So don't let that happen. Whenever you learn a new word, try to use it the same day. Make a sentence. Say it out loud. Use it in a message to a friend or talk to yourself using the word. Even simple sentences like, I'm feeling motivated today. If you learned the word motivated, that works. Practice makes permanent. Way number 3, create a personal vocabulary bank. You need a special place just for your words. It can be a small notebook, your phone's notes app, or a digital flashcard app like Anki or Quizlet. Every time you discover a new word, write it down, along with its meaning, an example sentence, and maybe even a little drawing or emoji to help you remember it. This turns your learning into a habit. It also gives you something to review later, anytime you have a free moment, hide on the bus, before bed, or while waiting for your coffee. Way number 4, learn words in context. Let me tell you a secret. Learning words in isolation is not as effective. Instead of just looking up random words, find them in real content. Watch English YouTube videos with subtitles. Read simple English articles, short stories, or even Instagram captions. Listen to English podcasts. When you see or hear a word used in a real sentence, it becomes easier to understand and remember, because now it has meaning. It's like meeting a word in its natural habitat. Way number 5, repeat, review, and relax. Let's be real, you will forget some words, and that's okay. What matters is your habit of reviewing. Go back to your word bank, reread your examples, say them out loud again. Review after 1 day, 3 days a week. This spaced repetition method really works. It's how your brain moves information from short-term to long-term memory. And don't stress. Forgetting and relearning is part of the process. The more you review, the stronger your vocabulary becomes. So quick recap before we wrap up. 1, learn just 3 to 5 words a day. 2, use them in your own sentences right away. 3, build your own word bank. 4, learn from real-life content. 5, review often and stay relaxed. Learning new words daily doesn't have to feel like a boring school task. Make it part of your life while watching videos, talking to friends, reading, or just observing your surroundings. English is everywhere. You just have to notice it. Thanks for hanging out with me today on Fluent Talks. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button and come back tomorrow, because this journey to better English is just getting started. Catch you in the next one.